Welcome back to today's video. Today we're just going to do a really quick Boxycharm unboxing. They did send it over to me, so I thought I'd just share it with you guys to show you guys exactly what's inside. I have just the base box. I thought I had the premium, but I guess just this time we're doing the base box. If I see the premium or it comes, I will definitely film the premium box for you guys, but it is the 11th already. We just got home from vacation. I feel like I'm so off just with like 4th of July and everything has been throwing me off here recently. So I apologize that it's a few days late, but I will make up for it by adding some extra videos. I do have a couple extra videos coming out. So we're gonna go ahead and get started in this. If you guys are interested to see what's inside this Boxycharm for the month of July. Oh, I can't believe I'm saying July. I literally just saw somebody post the other day on Facebook, like Christmas in July, and I was like, ugh. And then I've been seeing people on TikTok like already starting to like decorate for fall, which like pains me, but also makes me super excited. But then that means it's back to school and I'm not ready for all that yet. I'm like in the midst of like summer and I'm enjoying it. So we're gonna go ahead and get diving into this July box together. Let's go ahead and do this. If we see any lipstick on my teeth, we're just gonna ignore it. It has been some time since I've worn red lipstick and I was feeling a red lipstick kind of a day. I wasn't really feeling the eyes and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna throw on some red lipstick and it'll just make it 10 times better. So if we see any red on the lips, on the teeth, just ignore it, just ignore it. So the theme for this month is status 000. And then you got the information on the back of the card. Go ahead and get diving into the first thing that I see here, which is the Kate Somerville. This is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. I feel like I could probably use this right now. A couple of the moisturizers I'm using just don't feel like they're doing anything and not giving me that extra hydration, and just being like in the sun and stuff, I must be a little bit more dehydrated than normal. So my skin just feels like it's thirsty all the time. This brand has a really good cleanser. Like the goat milk cleanser is really nice and soft and hydrating. Right now I am using their acne wash, which is a little bit different than what I'm used to, but I keep it in the shower. So far so good. So we will give this a shot. Alley-oop. This is the multi-use face stacker 3 cream shades to play. I'm living for the cream life right now, you guys. I've been using the cream bronzer, highlighter, and the cream blush. Something new for me, but I've been playing around with it, and I'm living for it. I'm living for that life. So here you have it. And then there's that one, then this one, and then here we go. All right, so there you got all 3 stacks. Let's play around with it. So here is like a highlighter. Ooh, look at that blush, and then a bronzer. And I actually feel like this bronzer is going to work really well for me. This one right here is actually probably the perfect shade, probably very similar to what I'm using right now. The blush and the bronzer, and then the highlighter, I'll put it right here, but oh, there it is. All right, so the highlighter's right here, which I actually like the way it stacks, and you get a nice little mirror too. Very cute. My foundation application has been so different since the last time I posted, which was mainly focused on like covering and stuff. And now that I feel like my skin has gotten to a really good place, I feel like I can wear like a much lighter foundation and apply different products onto my skin and then setting everything. And I've been really happy with the way that like it's been going. So next item I have here are these glow drops. These are supposed to help prep and brighten your complexion for a healthy natural glow. Stop it. You act like I don't play with you at all. She's giving me the pouty face. Ooh, this is very glowy. Holy cow. Don't need a lot at all. Look at that. Right there. I actually feel like these two together would be great. Like this would be a really great highlighter to intensify what's in here if you want something a little bit more brighter. Next up I have is by the Beauty Crop, and this is in the shade Cinnamon and Fudge. I feel like we're getting quite a bit of makeup. I'm for this. Everything's been makeup so far. Ugh, why can't I open this? Sometimes I feel like some of the makeup packaging is either too not enough or, oh my gosh, why can't I open this? Look at this. I can't open this. All right, so I'm going to show you guys because I really can't get this open. But it's got like a matte shade and then you've got like a sparkly shade. And I think it's gloss, but it could be eyeshadow. Oh, it's eyeshadow. Eyeshadow duos. So that's what we have there. And then the last thing I see here, look at that. I like that packaging. And let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it's a nice fluffy wand. I feel like that's going to be a good one. All right, so that is everything that we have inside of our base box. Let me go ahead and share with you guys pricing really quickly. So the Alley Oop stacks are $38. The Kate Somerville lotion is $76. The Glow Drops are $20. The mascara is $32, and then the Beauty Crop Duo, eyeshadow duo, is $18. I actually do like this box. I feel like there are a lot of makeup products, which I know a lot of us really enjoy, and I feel like it is right in line with like summer. You don't want anything heavy, you want something light, and I feel like that is definitely what I see in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and post you guys what I just I'm going to go ahead and post what I just recently uploaded here, which was like a tutorial, just kind of like what's going on with me and trying on some makeup. So definitely check it out if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.